Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add SMS or email chat to your GoHighLevel account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to reply to customer inquiries using email or SMS. What that's going to look like is that if someone messages you on your chat widget, like right over here, you'll be able to reply to them through email or SMS. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to integrate both those structures together as far as replying to chats using SMS or email. So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, you're going to access the Sites option on your GoHighLevel account. And then on the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on this chat widget. Once you've done so, you want to click on this new option. And then from here, you're going to click on SMS/email chat. So there's even a prompt here that says this chat will collect the visitor's information so that you can respond to them via SMS or email later. This is great for small teams that aren't staffed 24/7. So simply click on select and then follow the on-screen prompts. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain how to set up SMS email chat for GoHighLevel accounts. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.